Are you getting a playback error media license message on your Tesla Model 3? This often relates to DRM, which stands for Digital Rights Management, Regional Restrictions, or Streaming Account Issues. We'll guide you through diagnosing and fixing these problems to get you back to enjoying your favorite media. The V12 software update released in 2023 and iterated through 2025 significantly improved this, so make sure your car is up to date. DRM, or Digital Rights Management, is a technology designed to protect copyrighted content from unauthorized copying or sharing. It works by encrypting media files and requiring special licenses to unlock them for playback. Streaming services like Spotify, Netflix, and YouTube use DRM licenses to ensure you're authorized to access their content. These licenses are temporary and must be validated before playback begins. In your Tesla Model 3, the infotainment system must validate these DRM licenses before allowing content to play. If validation fails, you'll encounter a playback error on the touchscreen. DRM errors in Tesla can occur for several reasons. The software might be outdated, preventing proper license validation. Your streaming account might not be linked correctly to your Tesla account, or you could be in a region where your account doesn't allow access due to geo-blocking. Understanding DRM helps explain why these playback errors happen and how to resolve them in your Tesla Model 3. First, ensure your Tesla software is up to date. Go to Software in your car's settings and check for updates. Next, verify that your streaming accounts are correctly linked in the Tesla app. Unlink and relink if necessary. A stable internet connection is also crucial for license validation. Try restarting your Tesla's touchscreen by holding down both scroll wheels until the screen goes black. Regional restrictions, also known as geo-blocking, limit content based on your location. If you're traveling, some content might be unavailable due to licensing agreements between content providers. Tesla's V12.5 update introduced automatic region detection and license syncing to minimize these issues. If you're still facing issues, ensure your account settings reflect your current location, but be aware that this might not bypass all restrictions due to licensing agreements. Often, playback errors arise from simple account authentication problems. Log out and back into your streaming accounts within the Tesla's infotainment system. Double-check that your Tesla is registered as a valid device with each service. For Spotify, make sure your Tesla's serial number is registered with your Spotify account. Some users in online forums like Reddit's Ars Tesla Motors have found this to be a key workaround. When basic troubleshooting fails to fix playback errors in your Tesla Model 3, advanced fixes involve checking Tesla's service logs. These logs contain detailed error codes that pinpoint the exact issue, such as DRM license problems or regional restrictions. Tesla service logs are typically accessed through official service channels. The workshop manual shows how technicians review these logs to identify specific error codes. Examples of error codes from Tesla's system alerts include BMS 1030 escorf port door open or BMS 1036 gup H file. These codes help diagnose issues like hardware faults or software mismatches. While end users may not directly access these logs, sharing error codes with Tesla support can expedite the fix. Additionally, searching these codes on dedicated Tesla forums often reveals solutions from other owners. To minimize future playback errors in your Tesla Model 3, focus on these preventative measures and best practices. First, always keep your Tesla software updated. Tesla releases over-the-air updates that address DRM license problems and enhance media streaming reliability. Second, maintain active and verified streaming accounts. Expired or invalid accounts can cause authentication failures. Third, ensure a strong internet connection. Weak signals can interrupt license downloads and account syncing. Fourth, periodically check your account links in the Tesla app. This ensures all streaming services remain properly connected. Fifth, regularly restart your Tesla's infotainment system. This simple step-by-step prevents minor glitches from building up. According to Tesla's 2025 user feedback survey, keeping software updated can reduce media license errors by up to 65%. Tesla continues to improve its media streaming capabilities. Expect more seamless integration with streaming services, AI-assisted DRM negotiation, and cross-device syncing. Future trends include broader adoption of open-source DRM standards and integration with emerging services like Apple Music's spatial audio. By 2030, media streaming in cars is projected to be as reliable as smartphones, with fewer disruptions and a more enjoyable in-car entertainment experience.